Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope by the end of this video you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm back again with a clothing try on haul video. So today I'll be doing a Zara try on haul video. Wait, I'm coming. Ta-da! I don't really know what I got. I can't remember because basically I ordered these items at night, maybe early morning, around 2 a.m. in the morning, because the items were just going boom boom boom. So I had to like order or not get anything later. So if you want to see what I got from Zara, please keep watching, and yeah, let's get into it. You guys know that I love my waist to be snatched, so this one is not doing it. Like, this is actually a cute one. I got it in extra small, so why is it not doing what it's meant to do? Like, Zara, I really like the color, the pattern and all of that, even the button here, but look, it just makes me look shapeless. What do you guys think? This one is a big fat no. It has a lot of space and it doesn't make sense. Like, whoa, for an extra small, like, look, imagine if the dress was like this. Look how it snatches my waist here. Like, it makes sense. It's a play suit, so it's like this at the back. This play suit is cute. Like, imagine going for a brunch with your girls, all of that, but it's not doing it for me. It has a very low v-neck, which is not bad. The shoulder is padded, which makes it very cute, but for a short girl like me, Zara, you did not try. Why is it that all these dresses on the model, they are quite shorter, but on me, oh my days, that's what stresses me out with all these brands. Because what about the petite people? We are not that tall. I paired it with some black heels, so I'm going to pair it with my pink purse, and just to revive it a little bit. And yeah, it's so cute for like lunch, casual lunch. You just want to go and have some lunch alone, go to the mall. And this dress is not actually black, it's kind of like grayish, and it has this sleeve that makes it, gives it some elegance, but it's not bad. The length is not bad, actually. It's not bad. It's not out there. It's just casual. I just want to stay on the low today vibe. It has all these buttons depending on how you want it, but yeah, it's quite cute and casual. Not bad. That's how it looks. Zara did not come to play with this one, and this one is actually from their new collection. All these their clothes I've been trying, I've not been feeling them, but this one is the one. Wait, but actually before trying this one, I tried I tried this dress. Oh my god. I've been seeing some girls on Instagram wear this dress. Do you know, I couldn't get it past my neck. Like, I don't understand how you're meant to wear this. It's not elastic, it only has this zip right here, so I'm just like, how am I going to fit in? Maybe I was meant to go a size up, but even if I was to go a size up, trust me, they would still not get my waist right. So what's going on, So guys, I won't be able to try this because I'm not about to kill myself today. Back to business. You guys are not ready. Girl, I'm feeling myself. This one is like giving me dinner date, birthday girl vibe. Like, who's that chick? And I'm loving it. Are you ready to see? Like, look at my shoulder, everything glowing. Let me show you. What? Who is this hot chick? Who is this hot chick? All those ones I can't relate. But this one, girl, it's so nice. The material, don't know what material is this, but it's elastic, so it expands. And look at the way it snatched my waist. Like, come on, girl, who is this, babe? Obviously my tummy is not that flat, but we are getting there. And I paired it with these nice heels. I can't do a catwalk to save my life, but you get the gist. This dress is so beautiful. Like the way it's just, you know, snatches your waist. You know, I'm all about waist. Yeah, like, yeah, this is actually my favorite so far. And it has these don't know what they call it, ruffles or what, and then it's quite elastic, and I believe it's just sexy, very simple. It's like you're not doing too much, but then you're doing too much. I don't know if you get me. It's like I'm not here to review too much or to tell you that I'm sexy, but it's like, girl, you know I'm sexy, you know, that's the vibe. And I mean, my birthday is coming up, so this might be the dress. This might be the dress to turn up. And it's very affordable. Like, that's a good one. Zara, you did well on this one. You did well. I thought the black one was cute, but this one is screaming, girl, you're big girl, you're mature babe. I love the pattern. Okay, let me show you guys first. Before I start rambling. Zara, you get me now. You get me now. It was so easy to fit in. This bit is very elastic, gives your backside, you know, an illusion of, you know, being big. And it has this design right here. It's such a cute dress, other than the v-neck is, you know, very low, but that's not really a problem. Girl. Ooh. Zara did well on this one. This dress is so nice for a dinner date, you know. You just want to look like, babe, I'm a mature babe, you know. You don't have to see my body to like me, you know. It's like, I love this dress so much. It's so cute. Probably if you want to dress it down, you wear some nice sandals and wear a cute handbag, and yeah, you can also do as a day dress, cute little brunch dress. So one more item to go, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, girl, what are you doing? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and also leave a comment down below and tell me which dress is your favorite so far. So guys, I'm having serious problem here. What made me buy this stuff? This thing has this long stuff. Who is going to tie this? Like, who is going to tie this? I think I'm meant to use it and make a bow or something like that. Next time I will think twice before buying stuff like this. No. Now I want to cry. I'm crying inside. If I have a picture of the model, probably I will put it right here, because to show you guys how it's meant to be. But your girl, nah, let's just pretend this thing is like this, you know. But let me actually tie it more. I'm extra like that, like being extra when it comes to waist, because after having these kids, you just be begging God, please, I want some tiny waist, because these kids, you know, pregnancy just messes your body up. But it is what it is. But it's not that bad. Look! What waist? You just be like, what waist, people? What waist? Okay. Okay, yeah, so this is a cute one. Obviously it has snatched my waist a little bit more and I'm feeling it. It's so cute. If I was to get to tie this thing a bit better, then it would make sense. Probably if I was to keep it, then I would basically cut a bit of this just to make it shorter, because I can't go around like this. Like, I look like a little Disney princess. A grown woman like me looking like a Disney princess. No, I'm not 16, guys. Yeah, but this is so cute, so cute. So guys, we have come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, because yeah, I really had fun, even though some items disappointed me, like this one. This item, oh my god, I was so looking forward to trying it, but yeah, I couldn't fit in. The way I don't know, why would someone put only this size of zip? Like, are you kidding me? How is that going to allow space? How is that going to allow me to fit in? And this stuff is not elastic as well, so yeah, this one pissed me off. Apart from that, the rest, they were good. The first one that I tried, I didn't like it so much because it wasn't fitting right, but obviously for someone taller, yeah, it would make sense for them, but I'm quite short, quite petite. And yeah, please comment down below which item is your favorite, and thank you so much for all the love, and please continue to do so, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and also follow me on Instagram. That's where I release my that's where we can connect a little bit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.